Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my grade 4 students? Inshallah, today we will take lesson 14.1, number sequence. This is the most easiest lesson in the book. Inshallah, we will take what the meaning of sequence. It's a group of numbers like when it start with like 6, and every time add 2. So add 2, it will be 8. Add 2, it will be 10. Add 2, it will be 12. Add 2, 14. If I ask you about the next number, you will say this 16. Why, teacher, 16? Because every time we add 2. So the rule here, the rule that we are following is add 2. Sometimes I can start with any number like 11 and I say add 5. How I add 5? 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 5, it's 21. 21 plus 5, it's 26, and so on. If he asks me about the next number, I will add 5 also, it will be 31. So what is the rule here? The rule is adding 5. The rule is adding 5. What can we conclude, teacher, from this lesson? Number sequence is a group of numbers that are following a constant or are following a rule that we can get any number. Like when I say, what is the next number here? He said add 2, no problem. I add 2 to 16, the answer will be 18. So this is the number sequence. So we must have a rule like here in this question. This is the starting number. He said add 3. Add 3 to 18. 19, 20, 21. So the answer is 21. Do he need only the next number? No, he need the next 6 numbers. So every time we add 3, it will be 24. Add 3 also, it will be 27. Add 3, it will be 30. Add 3, 33. Add 3, it will be 36. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next number is 36. The starting number is 17. He said add 2. Add 2 to 17, 18, 19. So the answer is 19. Add 2, 21. Add 2, it will be 23. This is the sequence. Add 2, it will be 25. Add 2, 27. We need to count 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So add 2, it will be 29. This is the last number here, because he needs 6 numbers. Starting with 40 and subtract 4. Subtract 4 from 40, it will be 36. Subtract 4, it will be 32. Subtract 4, teacher, I don't understand. No problem, you can put it 32 minus 4. If you don't know how to subtract 4, 2 minus 4, we cannot. We borrow from the 3, it will be 2. This will be 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 28, teacher. Some students are so smart they can't go reverse by 4. 32 is go back 31. Go back 30. Go back 29. Go back 28. So that's why we subtract 4 by the easiest way. So we can subtract 4, it will be 24. Subtract 4, it will be 20. Subtract 4, it will be 16. So we can write here 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the answers. You can copy it in the book. We'll go to the next page. The most easiest lesson. Here, the house numbers of a street follow the rule add 4. If the pattern continue, what are the next 3 numbers? Teacher, this lesson for grade 3, not for grade 4. If we add 4, teacher, add 4 to 16, it will be 20. Add 4, it will be 24. Add 4, it will be 28. So easy, teacher. The rule here, the rule, put 2 dots and write add 4, as he said. I didn't do a new thing. It's not hard. Oh, this is the answer, 16, then 20, 24, 28. We can go to the next page. So easy lesson. He starts with 48 and he subtracts 6. 42, subtract 6, 36, subtract 6, 30, subtract 6. Subtract 6 from 24. Teacher, I don't understand. Habib, it's easy. 24 minus 6. 4 minus 6, I cannot. This will be 1. This will be 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Call the 1 down. The answer is 18. Subtract 6 from 18. It will be 12. Subtract 6. The answer is 6. This question is so easy. He said Jody's rule is adding 2. He started with 4. And he wrote the numbers below. Which number does not below the pattern? So when I start with 4 and add 2, it will be 6. Add 2, it will be 8. Add 2, it will be 10. So this number, teacher, this number is wrong. Add 2, it will be 10. Add 2 is 12. So what is the number? He said here, which number doesn't belong? So I will say 9 doesn't below the pattern or the rule. So easy. Because when I have 8 and I add 2, it will be 10, not 9. So it's wrong to put 9 here. So we can go down for the next question. So any pattern must have a rule here. He said subtract 3. 21, subtract 3, it will be 18. Subtract 3, 15. Subtract means go back 3. Go back 3 for 15, it will be 12. Go back 3, it will be 9. This is add 7. He starts with 4, so 4 plus 7 is 11. 11, here he adds 7. Also add 7. Also we can add 7. Also we can add 7. Add 7 to 18, it will be 25. Add 7, it will be 32. So every time add 7. Here he said add 5. It's so easy to add 5 because this is like the timetable of 5. 5, 10, 15, add 5, 20, add 5, 25. So easy, teacher, to complete. He said here add 2, 5, add 2, 7. Add 2, 9. Add 2, 11. Add 2, 13. So easy. The rule here is subtract 10. Subtract 10, so go back 10. 90, go back 10, it will be 80. Go back 10, it will be 70. So easy, teacher. He said add 11. 16 plus 11. You can add 16 plus 11. Here 7, here 2, 27. Add 11, so you can put plus 11 also. Here 8, here 3, 38. The rule is adding 5. 96 plus 5, it's 101. How do you know? 96 plus 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 here and 1 up. 1 plus 9, 10. 101. 101 plus 5, it's 106. So easy. He said here add 4. 43 plus 4, it's 47. 47 plus 4, it's 51. So easy. You can add 4 or count by your hands. If you don't know how to add, you can after 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So the answer is 51. He said here subtract 15. 120 minus 15, it's 105. If you don't know, put it 120 minus 15. This will be 10. This will be 1. 10 minus 5, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. And call the 1 down, 105. 105 minus 15. 5 minus 5, 0. 10 minus 1, it's 90. So the answer is 90 here. He said subtract 9. 99 minus 9, it's 90. Minus 9, it's 81. So, easy lesson. We can add numbers, subtract numbers, but by sequence. Sequence means the pattern must continue forever. Till forever teacher. If you want to get 100 numbers, we can get subtracting or adding, or there is multiplication and division, but you will take it inshallah in grade 5 inshallah. Thank you so much and happy vacation. Assalamu alaikum.